Hello and welcome back to this next lecture from this course on how to create passive income from cryptocurrency. We are going to discuss about creating your accounts on different platforms, and these are some general things. So which are the things we are going to discuss about? Basically, all of these platforms, given the fact that they work with people's money, they need to have a high degree of security for all of their users, including you and other users as well. So that is why they need to verify your person very well to see that you are the real person, that you exist, you are the actual holder of the account that you create. So when you are going to create the account, you are going to have to fill in different forms with your name, phone number, address, and so on. Okay, but these are like the main general things that they will require, or the list. Okay, and in order for them to be able to verify your account and basically give you permission to do different types of transactions, they will also require from you a couple of things in order to get you verified. And one of the first things that they will require is a copy or a photo of your national identity card, a front photo and a back photo. Then they will require a utility bill or bank statement in order to confirm your address. And then they will require a selfie or a photo of your face, okay, to basically match the ID photo so that they can see you are that actual person. These are the general things. Now, depending on the platform, they might require from you other stuff as well, okay, other documents that you need to provide to them. But these are the main things, and you should prepare this ahead before actually going into this. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.